Hello, and welcome to Mind Maze Facts channel. Ever wondered why some people accumulate wealth while others struggle? It's not just luck or inheritance. It's a set of powerful habits the wealthy consistently cultivate. Habits the average person often overlooks. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. True wealth is built on a foundation of discipline and long-term thinking. The wealthy understand the power of discretion. They rarely flaunt their wealth. Unlike the average person who might feel the need to show off, the wealthy often keep their financial achievements private. This protects them from unnecessary attention, jealousy, and potential risks. Furthermore, the practice of budgeting cultivates a habit of discipline. By committing to a budget, individuals learn to resist impulsive spending, fostering long-term financial health. It's crucial to review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so do financial circumstances. Adapting your budget keeps your financial plan relevant and effective. Ultimately, budgeting not only provides a roadmap for financial success, but also instills confidence in your ability to manage money, paving the way for a secure and prosperous future. A cornerstone of wealth building is spending less than you earn. The wealthy prioritize saving and investing a significant portion of their income. They resist the urge to overspend. This allows them to compound their wealth over time. The wealthy understand the importance of surrounding themselves with the right people and people who have fruits on the trees. They cultivate strong relationships with other successful individuals, mentors, advisors, and fellow entrepreneurs. This network provides invaluable support, guidance, and access to new opportunities. Unlike the average person who may have a broader but less impactful social circle, the wealthy prioritize quality over quantity. The wealthy are lifelong learners. They constantly seek to expand their knowledge in areas like finance, business, new technologies, and personal development. This allows them to make informed decisions, adapt to changing markets, and identify new opportunities for growth. Wealth is as much a mental game as it is a financial one. The wealthy takes action and don't procrastinate unlike the average people. They are more talks than acts. The wealthy understand the importance of long-term investing. They prioritize building wealth over time and delaying gratification. They invest in assets, not liabilities. These habits are not just for the elite. Anyone can incorporate them into their own life. Start small, be consistent, and remember that true wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the journey, cultivate these powerful habits, and unlock your true financial potential. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.